everyone, today we are making compost using kitchen waste. It would be completely organic manure. So it's a lengthy process. It generally takes 2 to 3 weeks in formation of compost depending upon the season. As it is summer season, we expect it to be formed in 2 weeks. So let's begin. Firstly, we have taken a terracotta pot. Make sure there's a drainage hole in the middle and make sure it is big enough. Now we'll put a stone over there so that it does not get covered. Now the first layer should be of soil. You can take that soil from any other plant. Make sure at least that this layer is about 1 inch and spread it evenly. As you can see, I am tightening it also. This should be enough. Now we'll add a layer of dry material, for which you can use many things like dried grass or dried leaves or even bits of paper. So we'll mix them all. Now we'll add some amount of paper. I've already shredded them. The smaller these are, the better it would be and the quicker it would make. Now we'll add some dry leaves. We'll break them also. You can use a scissor for this purpose. Now press them, and I'll add some more of this too. So now 2 layers are complete, and we'll start with the third layer, which would be a wet waste. So for this you can use many things, like I'm using here peels of bananas and papayas. Break them so that they decompose faster and easier in a less amount of time. Now as you can see, all the 3 layers are complete, and now we have to repeat these same layers for at least 2 to 3 times more. So again we'll put some soil. Instead of soil you can also add some manure which is already made. And we'll press it. Now let's repeat again. So again we'll put some dry waste. Some paper. You can even use newspapers instead of these. Now some dry leaves. So now as you can see, it's almost complete, and I'll be adding the last layer, which is of soil again. This would help it to generate microbes easily, as some of the microbes would be already present in this soil. Also, it took me several days to collect this much amount of waste. You can do this process gradually by adding some amount of waste at a regular basis. So now we're adding some more amount of soil, and this should be enough. Pack it tightly. All the layers are set, and I'll be sprinkling some water, but make sure you sprinkle only some amount of water, as otherwise it would become all sluggy and the smell would be very bad. Now we have sprinkled water and it is nice and wet. Now we'll need to cover it. You can use any kind of material to cover it. I would prefer using terracotta. Make sure there is a hole in between, or else there would be no oxygen supply for the microbes to grow. I am taking this kind of plate. It is not actually made of terracotta, but this is the only thing I have right now. I'll put it in, and as you can see, there is no hole in between, but there is some gap at the outside which will let oxygen to get in. I hope you enjoyed making compost with me. Thank you for watching.